Marcos programs his calculator to evaluate a linear function, but he doesn't say what the function is. When 5 is entered, the calculator displays the value of 2. When 15 is entered, the calculator displays the value 6. Which of the following expressions explains what the calculator will display when any number n is entered? So, the best way to solve these types of questions is just go ahead and plug in what you know to test each of the different answers until you find one that works. So we're just going to start with the first one. So we're going to plug in 5 for n, which is the same as 5 over 1. Those 5s are going to cancel out, and then you're just left with 2. So that first one, it does work out. When we enter in 5, we got 2. And so now we're just going to go ahead and plug in 15. So when we plug in 15, it's the same as 15 over 1, which we recommend when you're multiplying fractions of whole numbers, just turn it both into a fraction, make it a little easier. The 5 and the 15 cancel out to give you 3 in the denominator, and then you're just multiplying 3 times 2, which is 6. So this is going to be our correct answer there, answer F, right out the bat. We could go through and test these other answers, and so you will see that if it didn't happen to be the first, you're just going to keep doing the same thing. So when we do answer G, if we plug in 5 for n, which is the same as 5 over 1, we would get 25 divided by 2, which is not going to equal 2, so we can cross that one out. N minus 3, so when we do 5 minus 3, that does work out, but then when we do 15 minus 3, it does not equal 6, so answer H is gone. N minus 9, so when we put in 5 and subtract 9, we do not get 2, so that one is gone. And K is going to be a time-consuming one, and we can just know that the first answer is just not going to work out. We already know the answer, and you could do that if you needed to, but we had already found one where it works out for both, giving us answer F.